And so how to become one, here's the extended information. So you need basically a bachelor's degree in accounting or related field to enter the occupation. You would also need a certification in this field, such as becoming a licensed certified public accountant. And the reason why you need a license is because you sign off on the financial documents, on the financial statements, the cash flow statement, the profit and loss statement, the income statement, the balance sheet. You sign off on a lot of the financial statements, and only licensed professionals really can do that. So if all you have is a bachelor's degree and you are not associated with the firm that is going to pay for your licensing, then you are no different than an accounting clerk until you get that license, because you can't really sign off on financial statements, right? And so knowing what is required of you by the time you graduate, I don't know if you can take the CPA license first before graduation. I don't know that. And that's something that I think about researching later. But you do know that if you want to enter this field, this occupation, then you're going to have not only the education, but the licensing as well. And so then you have, under education, you need a bachelor's degree or related fields such as business, science, technology, social science. Some employers prefer to hire applicants who have a master's degree, so that's something to know, either in accounting or business administration with a concentration in accounting. And then some universities and colleges offer specialized programs for a bachelor's or master's degree, such as accounting, forensic accounting, internal auditing, tax accounting. In some cases, those with an associate's degree, as well as bookkeepers, accounting, and auditing clerks who meet the education and experience requirements set by their employers, may get junior accounting positions and advance by showing their accounting skills on the job. Now, again, you can advance even with the 2-year associate's degree as well as the bachelor's degree. But if you're going to be labeled as a true accountant, where you sign off on the financial statements, you're going to have to get the licensing. And so the licensing, any accountant who files a report with the Securities and Exchange Commission is required to be a licensed certified public accountant or CPA. Other accountants choose to become a CPA to enhance their job prospects or to gain clients. Employers may pay the costs associated with the CPA exam. So again, if you are connected with a particular organization that sponsors, then sure, they may pay for you to study for the test. You do sort of like internship accounting work until you actually get your CPA license. So all of this information is good to know.